No,
Oh,
they're
they're
leaving.
leaving. Oh,
Wait,
come
wait,
back.
I'm still hungry though. Oh, oh. This one's like, you dumbass, don't do it. Okay, I won't. But I want it. They don't trust your ass.
They're Pringles. What's not to trust?
Let's go hop away this way. Nope. Oh, he just had to make a round around the chair to make sure no one's sitting in it. Still don't trust it. Oh, but he's getting closer. He's like, maybe I trust it. Maybe. Yeah. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna do it. Yep. He's like, wait, you did it?
And you lived?
Oh.
Oh, they're hungry.
Did you see the guy that didn't want to come over steal the other ones right from his mouth?
Oh, that was mean. It's
Oh,
okay,
that
guys,
one's
there's
brave.
more.
He doesn't even care. He's like, I'll get it. No, I'll just steal this guy's. It's good. What kind of birds are they?
I don't know. I'll have to Google lens it later. I love how they waddle. Look at that guy.
I know. Here they come. I'm brave. Here it comes. Oh, wait, no, it's scary. Maybe. Nope. Silly birds.